Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about contractions with auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are function words that are usually unstressed like be, do, and have auxiliary verbs. الأفعال المساعدة هي كلمات وظيفية وعادة ما تكون غير مشددة أثناء الكلام، مثل أفعال be وأفعال do وأفعال have المساعدة. A contraction is when two words are joined together to become one. الاختصار هو عندما تجمع كلمتين لتصبح كلمة واحدة. In a contraction, the auxiliary verb usually loses one, two, or more letters which are replaced by an apostrophe. في الاختصار عادة ما يخسر الفعل المساعد حرف أو حرفين أو أكثر، حيث تستبدل هذه الأحرف بفاصلة مرتفعة. Contractions are usually used in speech and informal writing. عادة ما تستخدم الاختصارات أثناء التحدث وفي الكتابة غير الرسمية. Contractions in speech or writing. الاختصارات في التحدث وفي الكتابة. Contractions with pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Apostrophe M equals am, like in I'm. For example, I'm writing my homework. Apostrophe RE is short for are, like in your, we're, their. For example, they're in the park. Apostrophe S is short for is and has, like in he's, she's, and its. For example, he's studying math now. Another example with a question word, which is who. Who's your new neighbor? Which is short for who is your neighbor. One more example. He's studied math for 2 hours, which is short for he has studied math for 2 hours. Apostrophe VE, which is short for have, like in you've, we've, and they've. For example, we've already eaten breakfast. Contractions used only in speech. اختصارات التي فقط تستخدم أثناء التحدث. Contractions with question words like who, where, when, and what. Apostrophe S is short for does, like in what's. For example, what's it cost, which is short for what does it cost. Apostrophe D, which is short for did, as in who'd, where'd. For example, who'd you see, which is short for who did you see. Where'd he go, which is short for where did he go. Thank you for listening.